So this is the under 1000 rupees wireless microphone from Digitech, rupees 900 exactly, and it has got this lightning adapter, which means it can be used for iPhones only. Although there is a variant for Type C smartphones as well, which can be used with many other smartphones with USB Type C. But in Android, the main camera might not support. You will have to install open cameras. Anyway, for iPhone, it's just plug and play. So this is the adapter that goes into the microphone. And what clever about this dongle from Digitech is they have got another slot for lightning, which means if you are connected and you're low on battery, you can still charge your smartphone using this one. And it's plug and play. Once you plug it in to your iPhone, there is a blue light that starts blinking, and then you can power it on. There is a power button. You can power it on, and red and blue is blinking, which means it is trying to connect. Once it will be connected, there will be a stable red light. Now there is a stable light on this microphone and there is a stable blue light on this dongle. So it is now connected, and let me show you how the audio quality is going to be if I record it using this microphone. Let me make sure it is again disconnected. So now I'm recording it and you can see that it is now active. Now in scenarios like this, when I'm indoors, there is no point of using it because I have a quiet room and the audio can be directly recorded into the microphone of my smartphone, my iPhone, and it will still be great. But its real test is when I'm outside, when there is a lot of noise, and that is the specific reason I bought it for. So let's go outside and check it out. So this is a test of this wireless microphone. I've taped it on to my t-shirt, although there is a wind muff available within the packaging, but I have not used it. So there might be some wind sound as well, so bear it with me.
And if we do slight adjustment to the audio, we can get much more cleaner audio. If you want to know, please watch this video till the end. I have shared a tutorial how you can improve the audio quality even further. I will get up from my seat and move away from the microphone, and you can hear that the audio is not that bad, especially if you are able to treat it in post-production.
Okay, so I hope you found the comparison useful, how it is when using outside, and quality is okay. For rupees 1000, you are getting a technology which is wireless. I remember a few years ago, you only got wired microphones under 1000 rupees, and that were also not that great. So you're getting wireless and you are getting a solution of having a good audio. There is a USB charging slot in the clip microphone. So you can charge it using the provided USB Type-C cable. Also in the box, I got this Digitech pouch, which is nice because in the Portronics, I think they don't give the pouch. The Portronics one is for rupees 700 and this one is for rupees 900. So there is a 200 rupees difference. I think the quality of the audio is slightly better in this one in comparison to the Portronics one. Now let's talk about how we can improve the quality even further in post-production. Once you are done editing all the video that you have recorded and all the cuts have been done, it is ready to be exported. Just export the audio only because the website that I'm mentioning only supports the audio file, not the video. So assume that you have edited your video in your editing software. Mine is Final Cut Pro. You can export the video as an audio only file. If in your video editing software there is no option to export only audio, then you can export the video like you usually do and use any other application, third-party software or web application to extract the audio. On your iPhone, you can do this using a shortcut, and on Android phones, you can install any application from Play Store that will let you extract audio from any video. So once you have got your audio, go to this website called Adobe Podcast and sign up. If you haven't already, go to Enhance Speech. Choose your file which you have saved on your computer or on your mobile phone, and then wait for this to get uploaded and get processed. Now it took less than 2 minutes for a file which was more than 3 minutes long. So it will depend on the length of your audio file. Now we have got the audio file. I will download it from here Once downloaded, I will go to my editing software and put the audio file right below my video timeline. This is the reason I asked you to export or extract the audio to enhance it after you are done editing, because you will not have to spend time syncing the audio because the length of the timeline would be the same. So all you have to do is remove the audio of your video project and keep it like that. Now let me come to the part where I have recorded the sample audio using this microphone. We will see how the enhanced audio sounds like.
I have not used it. So there might be some wind sound as well. So bear it with me. And if you do slight adjustment to the audio, we can get much more.
So this is the enhanced audio. Let us listen to the original audio.
But I have not used it. So there might be some wind sound as well.
So you can see how much the quality has improved. So this application called Adobe Podcast, which is an online web app, will drastically improve the quality of your audio if you have recorded from any source. Even this cheap microphone will let you record audio even when you are outside. This website will let you clean it, enhance it. And there is a premium version of this web app which will directly allow you to upload your video. You can directly enhance the audio of your video. And there are other features as well. But the free version works just fine. I hope you found this useful, and you will find the buy link of this microphone in the description of this video. If you buy it using my link, you will be supporting the channel as well. If you like the content, you can subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.